What's the meaning of continually? Continually. Continually.
Continually. Continually. The term continually refers to something that is ongoing and uninterrupted, without any gaps or breaks. It implies a persistent and continuous action that is consistently being performed over time. The result of doing something continually can be improved skills and expertise in a particular area, as well as greater efficiency and effectiveness in completing tasks. Continual effort and practice can lead to mastery and ultimately success in achieving one's goals. However, it is important to balance continual effort with rest and recovery to avoid burnout and maintain overall well-being.